Am I audible? Larisha and Kushromukar, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now just
Yeah, you
update.
are audible.
Can you see my screen? Is that visible?
Mm,
Your window is showing only, sir.
yeah, yeah, desktop screen is showing.
Which desktop screen? Yeah, desktop you can see now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Can you see that notes?
Yes.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Yeah,
I think
that's why I was
everything is
asking.
okay right now.
Okay, perfect. Now we will see that stock transfer from one storage location to another storage location from one plant to another plant. Like in last class, what we have seen. So we have seen stock transfer, like one storage location to another storage location within a same plant that we have seen in last session, right? And we have seen single step as well as two-step procedure. And what's the business requirement when we use single step when we just use two-step? That also we have seen. Now we will see from one plant to another plant. So, just take an example. There is a company, and one plant is available in one province, and another plant is available in another province. And if owner or client just want to transfer the stock from one plant to another plant, it can be possible. Okay, let's suppose in plant A is available in Delhi, plant B is available in another province. Let's suppose in Hyderabad, and he is transferring, and both plants just belongs to him. He is transferring, and in plant A, let's suppose two storage locations are there, storage location 1, storage location 2. Same in Hyderabad plant, two storage locations are there, storage location 1 and storage location 2. So let's suppose client client's requirement is there, like he just want to transfer the stock. Stock means like anything, like raw material, finished product, or anything from plant Delhi's plant to Hyderabad plant. He can do that. He can easily do that. So there are two ways are there. One is one step procedure, another one is a two-step procedure, right? So that also we will see. So stock transfer from one plant to another plant, that we will see, right? So here there is a like single step procedure is there, and there is two-step procedure is also there. So we will see one by one. So let's start with single step procedure. So let me write here. Stock transfer from one plant to another plant. There are two ways. First is single step procedure. Okay. So in single step procedure, we will do that by just using same T code MIGO. T code is MIGO. Movement type is movement. Movement type is 301, and that's manually. Okay. Manually means like we have to give that. Okay. But you can see here, note is there. So notice material master records should be created in both the plants. Like material master record must be there for that same material, whatever we just want to transfer from one plant to another plant. If material master record is not available in both the plant, then how we can transfer the stock? Material master record is just like creating a profile of a material. So there must be a profile in plant 1 and as well as there must be profile in plant 2 also, right? So that's mandatory. Okay, but in case of transferring the stock from one storage location to another storage location in single plant, that material master record is not required because we are just doing like in another plant material master record is not doing because we were just doing in that case we were just doing in a single plant. Okay, it's just like just think practically. If we just want to transfer some stock from one plant to another plant, that master data must be there na, in both the plant. Then only we can do that. Otherwise, how can we do that? Okay, so let's see in SAP Sandbox. So let me use T-code. First, let me use T-code MM60 to see the stock. Okay. And let me take any material. Whatever I have created yesterday, let me take that material. Oh, like it will not show yesterday's material. The reason is because like basis team has just took a like backup of last 3-4 days. So 3-4 days data is just gone. So let me create one new material. Let me take stock material. Stock mat 0. Mechanical material type raw material. Basic data 1, purchasing, general plant data storage 1, accounting 1, org level. Here just mention plant, storage location. Material group. Okay, hit enter. Enter valuation class. Here let me give my price. Check. Hit enter and save. So I just created a material. So I will just create a PO so that there must be some stock. Okay. So let me create a PO. Then I will do goods receipt for that. So let me create a PO by just using T-code ME21N. Here supplier number, purchase org, purchase group, material, quantity, let me order 100 quantity, let price 10, plant KL01, check. Okay. Let me check it. Let me save it. Okay, this PO is created. So let me do goods receipt for that. Let me go to Migo. Goods receipt. Hit enter. Item okay. Check. Posting only possible in period this and this for this company code. Right? Posting only possible and this period. So this error used to come like after every month, like once the next month is used to start, so we have to open a new period, like new month we have to open. In real time it's done by FICO consultant, FI consultant. In real time it's done by FI consultant, and like posting we have to open a new period for that every month. That's a month end activity. So what we are going to do, like February month it's showing February and January, I have to open March month. So simply I will just use T code MM. If you remember, I will just use T code MMPV. Hit enter. And here company code, hit enter. Execute. Oh, sorry. Give period. So March 03, physical year 2025. Execute from here. Now you can see company code is converted. So it's done. Let me go back. And now let me try to post that. So in Migo, let me post it. Enter storage location. Check and post it. I'm getting this new error. So this lecture also you can say with like how to resolve the tickets also. So this is another error. So how we are going to resolve that error? This is account determination error. First we have resolved posting period error. Now this error is account determination error. How to resolve that? Simple. First of all, you should know, like you must be aware how to read that error. This is MM-SAD error. So you just copy this and just paste on notepad. Okay. And here you just see, just read that error. It's account determination error. So you can face like so many types of account determination error. So you should know what's the procedure to resolve that. Okay. Procedure will be same, but keys, valuation class, valuation modifier, that will change. Okay, but procedure to resolve that, it will be same, more or less it will be same. So what we are going to do, first of all you should know how to read that error. So it's account determination error, and this INT is a charter of account. Here INT is a charter of account, BSX is a key. Okay, and 3001 is a valuation class. So this is a valuation class, this one accounting key, this one charter of account. So I am facing account determination error for charter of account INT, key BSX, and valuation class 3001. So how to resolve that? Just go to T code OBYC. Let me open one more screen. Let's go OBYC. Hit enter. And here we need to go to BSX. So just go to BSX, double click on this, go to charter of account INT, hit enter, because I am getting for INT charter of account. That's the reason I'm giving here INT, right? And here, what I need to do, just see here. I am getting for valuation class 3001. So for 3001, I need to maintain account, GL account. These are GL account. So you can say like this error is resolved by both MM and FI. This is a part of MM and FI integration. Okay, where both consultant will work together to resolve that. So here, what I need to do, I need to maintain a valuation class 3001. Under that, I need to maintain a GL account. So simply what I will do now, here 3001 is also there and GL account is also assigned, but this is with valuation modifier. But I am getting error without valuation modifier. So what I will do, I will just create, I will take that same GL account for that. Okay. So I will just click on this icon, create new entry. I will give valuation class 3001 because I'm getting for 3001. Whatever GL account is assigned for that, I am also assigning that same GL account. Hit enter and save it. Yes. So for 3000, this GL account is assigned. So this is how you are going to resolve that error. In your case, accounting key can be different, valuation class can be different, but the procedure will be same. Like whatever accounting key is there, just go to that accounting key. Whatever valuation class is there, just go to that valuation class. That's it. Right? So this is how you are going to resolve that. Hit enter and save. This done. Okay, now let me do post receipt. Check and post. Posting period, this is not open in account variant category. One new error we are facing. So it's perfect. We are learning in this class how to resolve these errors. So posting 0003 2025 is not open for variant 0001 in account category. This is completely FI error. So let me copy this error first. This is completely FI and CO error. So let me copy. In real time, like it's distributed. Like if it's a FICO type error, FICO consultant is going to resolve that. But here we don't have any FICO consultant or something like that. So we have to do it by our own. Okay. So posting period 003 2025 is not open for variant 0001 and account category. I'm facing this error. Okay. So let me check first posting period for variant 0001. I have to do troubleshooting for this error because to be honest, I am also not aware about that error. Okay, for 0001, let me do posting. Let me try to do that in MMPV. 0001 03 2025. Now let me check. It's still coming. So what I will do, simple, I will just go to Google. Okay, I will just copy this error and simply I will just go to Google. So this is CO error. So posting period is not open for variant account category. There are some errors are there. Let me check. Just give me a minute. Let me see. This is
Hello everyone, welcome back to hello everyone, welcome back to another session. So in this session, I will be showing how to fix the posting period error while posting a GL document in SAP system. Okay, let's get into this. So I will be using the transaction code IB50 to post a GL document. So here, whenever I given the document date and posting date and the reference, then I trying to move further, I'm getting this error saying that in company code 2005, the number range 10 is missing for fiscal year to reference purpose. Okay. Number range has been maintained. So I'm getting the error for 2025, fiscal year 2025. So I will be copying from 2025, fiscal year 2025 from my source company code is 2003 and my target company code is 2005. And then click on execute here. Then system will ask you, do you really want to do this? Yes, click on yes. Then you can see all the intervals has been copied. Then go one step back and one more step back. Then go back to your EB50 screen and then hit on enter. Now you can see that error issue has been bypassed. Now we are getting another information message, no amount tolerance entered. Okay, just again hit enter and again hit enter. Now you can see that issue. You can see that error issue. Really want to do this? Yes, click and then click on execute here.
so like in that type of a, like situation, you need to do hit and trial even in the real time. This is a FICO side error. Okay, so just because this is not resolved with this video. Okay, maybe in another video, because whatever I have explained, it's also showing the same.
Hello and welcome to all. In this video session, we will learn how to rectify the error post new video upload. Please like and share our video. But system, so click on the check button, is not open. Now we will rectify. For our company code 1000, posting period variant is also 1000. So this is our posting period variant. And this plus is valid for all account type. Okay, so January 21 to December 21. So January 21 is our first posting period and December 21 is 11th current posting period in OB, A, D, K, M and S. That is October posting period is open. See?
Okay, got it. Now which error is there? Now got it. So this is completely FI error. So where we are going to resolve that simply in OB52. This is completely FI error. Just go to OB52. If you remember, in after creation of enterprise structure, we have seen all these settings like OB52, OBY6. So that OB52 we need to maintain. 0001. Posting period variant is 0001. So in posting period variant, this issue is coming. It's showing like third period is not open for that. ADKMS. This is completely FICO error. But here we don't have any FI consultant. We have to resolve by our own. So 2025, 16, 13. Here that must be changed because we are facing that error. Posting period 003 2025 is not open. So 003 we need to check. So I guess from here I need to change. Okay, that we have to see. So the error is going to resolve in OB52.
Here October 21 is our 10th posting period. So here only 10th posting period is open. So what we will do, we will change this posting period to 11. This account types 11th posting period is already open. Okay. So what we will do, so here only 10 2021 is not open. Now we will rectify our posting period variant. These are all the account types. These are all the. Now our company 1000 follows the calendar fiscal year. What is calendar fiscal year? Say December. Okay, so January 21 will be our last, that is 12th posting period. So this posting period is our current posting period. If we want to post any document in November 21, that is in, but if we observe here for our posting period variant, see, for these account types A, D, K, M and S, 11th
आपको VLOOKUP फॉर्मूला आता है.
posting period is open, but for this plus, that is this is valid for all account types, 11th posting period is not open. Here only 10th posting period, that is October posting period is open. See here October 21 is our 10th posting period. So here only 10th posting period is open. So what we will do, we will change this posting period to 11. This account types 11th posting period is already open. Okay, so we don't need to change anything over here. Now we will, posting period is open. See here October 21.
Let me like try to do whatever he's saying. He's saying like in that OB52 there is plus ADKMS is there. Okay, and like this period you can see from period I'm getting for 0001. So this is my posting period variant. How I will come to know this is my posting period variant? Simply you can check in OBY6. In OBY6 you can check. So for my company code I can see in OBY6, if I will just go to position and if I just mention my company code here, I can see. Like see, my posting period variant is 0001. So from here I can see. So he is saying in OB52, like my posting period one is 0001. So I just selected 0001 plus ADKMS is there. So from period it's showing like from period it's showing like 2. 2 means February. So here it must be 3, like March. From March it must be there 3 to it must be 12 as per the video, as per that FICO consultant. So we need to open from here, like from period in plus ADKMS must be whatever period is there. So 03 must be there. Okay. 03 must be there.
Is our 10th posting period. So change this posting period to 11. This account types.
So let me do hit and trial. If we are not going to able to resolve that, I will just send to my some SAP FICO senior colleague or consultant. But let's try to do that. So from let me give 3 for all. Three is for like March. For 1 means January, 2 means February, 3 means March, 4 means April. And here 2 period, let me give 12. Okay, 2 period, let me give 12. Or let me give that same 3. Then let me check. Now let me hit enter and save it. And save it. Now let me check. Boom, it's resolved. That error is resolved, but we are getting one new error. Enter rate EUR USD rate M for this in the system. That error have resolved, but one new error just came. Okay, this video you can save as like tickets, error tickets. Okay, that error is resolved. Like so many errors in that we have resolved, like posting period error, account determination error. Then for credit control area posting period, that resolved in OB52. Now this one new error is coming. So don't worry if you are facing the errors, just try to resolve that from like uh, just doing that troubleshooting, like just searching that same error in Google. You can try to resolve that. Okay, even in the real-time consultants used to do that. Why this is not opening? Okay, so this error is there. Enter rate Euro USD rate type M in the system. Okay, this is also FI error. This is also FI error. So let me check how to resolve that.
So here I'm creating a purchase requisition.
Guys, are you getting now? Like if, oh shit, class recording is not there. Okay, are you guys getting now? Like if you are getting the errors, how you are going to resolve that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is how you can do that. Okay, even in the real time, like most common tickets or error you will remember how to resolve. But like error that's are not more frequent, that's how you are going to resolve. But these whatever we are resolving right now, this is FI side error, FI consultant used to resolve. You need not to worry about that in the real time, because that lead consultant used to decide which ticket belongs to which one. So at that time they just resolve. Okay, but like if MM side ticket is
And
also
here
there,
I'm
you can resolve like that.
I'm putting all the things like the material and the quantity. This today day to 8 to fix to INR conversion. Okay, so let me show you the first OBBS step. OBBS. First OBBS step. So let me show you the first OBBS step. PPS. So here euro to INR, we are not getting any information here. So we need to create a new entries. It is saying the exchange rate.
So let me check. Conversion rate is there from USD to Euro that we have to check. So USD to Euro, it's available. Okay, exchange rate. But for exchange rate AM, it's not available. Let me copy error first now. Check and post. So this error is there. Enter rate this. So let me copy this and let me copy notepad. Okay, like enter rate Euro to USD. Rate type is M. For date 5th March. So rate type must be M. This exchange rate. So exchange rate here it is reference value is equal to group value, current exchange rate. Let me take current exchange rate. Let me change from here first. Okay, this Euro to USD valid from this 1:1. Let me create new one, new entry. Exchange rate, let me take normal exchange rate, current exchange rate. From, let me take from what I need to take. I have to check because this is FI error, what he is taking.
Exchange rate means your rate type. The rate type is equal to exchange rate here. So you need to enter here M, and from euro to INR, Indian currency, valid from today date. Ratio 1:1 mapping, from 1 to 1 mapping. I'm not giving any value. I'm just putting ratio 1:1 mapping. Okay. Now I'm entering. Okay. Now I save this first.
Let me try to do that, whatever. Let me try to replicate whatever he did. So he is just taking exchange rate M. Let us also take M because we are also getting for error for M. So let me take M and from, let me take from Euro, from Euro to USD. Okay. Let me give validity date. So validity date, let me give from today itself. Let me give ratio. Let me give like 1:1 to both USD to Euro. Hit enter and let me save it. Now let me try to post it. If it's possible, if it's not, some other setting we have to do. Check and post. Still not resolved. So some more settings, some more backend settings we have to do. Let's see.
Now I will go to OB08. OB08. Enter. Here I need to enter the exchange rate M, valid from today date. Okay, if you are confused on this screen, then just back the screen. See, here you can see a lot of things from okay, indirect quotation is not required, which are required. Okay, this is exchange rate aim, valid from today date. You can enter ratio from you enter 1, okay, and from currency euro to direct quotation to currency 1 euro, okay. Dude, this line I created, just simple enter your exchange rate aim, valid from date, indirect quotation is not required. This is one-on-one conversion.
So whatever he is doing, let me do that setting also. Okay. So 1 minute, let me replicate whatever he is doing. Okay. So let me go to OB08, decode OB08. Just save this video like a error, like functional error. Okay, error, ticket error, you can say. So let me go to OB08. Okay, let me go to new entries. Let me give exchange rate M because I'm getting for exchange rate M. I'm facing error for exchange rate M. From here also you can see. So I'm getting for exchange rate M. Okay. So let me give exchange rate M validity date from today. Okay. And indirect quotation I will leave that blank. And from I will give like euro. Okay. And let me select here euro. To let me give USD. Let me hit enter. Okay. And here let me leave that indirect quotation, direct quotation, exchange rate is 0, hit enter again. It's just a warning and save it. So like what's the exchange rate is there? Let me get this. Okay, now let me check. Can I post that or not? If still we are going to face, I have to send to my FIE colleague. It's resolved, right? Like that you can resolve any error, almost any error. Okay, and try to make the notes also if you can. That will be helpful for you. So if I just check the stock overview, I just go to that display, hit enter, go to stock overview. You can see 100 quantities there, right? So this lecture you just save as like how to resolve the tickets errors. Okay, let me send this also because I didn't record that from just mid. I just recorded that session. So if you guys have any question or anything to ask, you guys can ask. Otherwise, we will just give 5 to 10 minute break. Then again we will start. Today we are having 2 hour session. Okay, the reason is like tomorrow I will not able to take class. So today itself we will take 2 hour session. Is that okay for you guys, na? Kushamakar, Larisha, and Gaurav. Is that okay, na? Are you comfortable with 2
It's
hours now?
okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, no issue, sir. It's okay.
Okay, perfect. Okay, Larisha and Gaurav, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just have a 5-minute break. Let me have some glass of water, and you also take some 5-minute break. I'm not going to end the class. I'm not going to end from here. I'm just stopping that recording. I'm just going to stop that recording, and we will start again. Right now it's like 9:30. In 9:40 we will start again. Okay? So
Okay,
don't
sir.
go anywhere. Just mute yourself, and for 10 minutes you can take a break. Then we will start again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.